Animals. Characteristics of animals. We are going to learn about animals as living things. Animals are categorized into two types, namely domestic and wild animals. Domestic animals are animals reared at home by human beings, for example cow, dog, cat and donkey. Wild animals are animals that live on their own in the wild, for example the lion, rhino, elephant and ostrich, and so on. All animals show some behaviors which are referred to as characteristics. We are going to learn about these characteristics. Movement. All animals move around their surroundings. Feeding and removing waste. All animals eat food. Cows eat grass and lions eat meat. Do you know what fish eat? Animals also remove waste from their bodies. Reproduction. Animals produce young ones. This is called reproduction. Animals grow old and die. Some animals live longer than others. Sometimes animals fall sick and die. They may also die due to injury. Fill in the blank space using the choices given. Fill in the blank space using the choices given. How do we care for animals? By feeding them and giving them clean water. By treating them when they are sick. They also need to be sprayed regularly against small parasites such as ticks, fleas, and flies. By protecting them and making sure that they have a good and safe shelter where they cannot be attacked.
Drag and drop the correct word to fill the gap.
Good.
By protecting them and making sure that they have a good and safe shelter where they cannot be attacked. Summary. Today we have learnt about animals as living things and discussed their characteristics. We have learned that they feed, grow, move. Let us learn how to distinguish between vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are animals that have backbones. Examples of vertebrates are humans, cows, and elephants. Invertebrates are animals that do not have a backbone. Examples of invertebrates are cockroach, spider, and scorpion.
End of substrand.